Let's fill out a South Carolina Prenuptial Agreement together and check off every legal requirement as we go. This is South Carolina's Prenuptial Agreement, the contract a couple signs before marrying to set their own financial rules. On the right is everything South Carolina asks of it. The agreement has to be in writing, and that is the document in front of you. Start with the effective date, the day the couple plans to sign before their wedding. Type the month, day, and year here. A waiver of estate rights can be signed ahead of the wedding or once the couple has already married. Next, enter each prospective spouse's name and mailing address, exactly as they will appear on the signed pages. The agreement calls them Prospective Spouse 1 and Prospective Spouse 2, names carried through the signature block and the schedules ahead. Each person has to sign it of their own free will. An agreement someone did not sign voluntarily does not hold against them. Further down, a clause names which state's law governs the agreement and which state's courts would hear a dispute. This is a South Carolina agreement, so both blanks say South Carolina. The attached schedule lists each person's finances. Spouse 1's copy shows a bank account, a car, and some jewelry as examples. State law sets how each person discloses what they own and owe, and what happens to the agreement if they do not. The waiver only counts if the person signed it after fair disclosure. Spouse 2's copy follows the identical layout, with a different sample balance, vehicle, and valuable item. What can be given up is the survivor's statutory rights in the other spouse's estate, and the section lists them. Unless the agreement says otherwise, giving up all rights in the other's property or estate gives up the survivor's statutory rights there. It also gives up whatever would have come by intestate succession or by an earlier will, and a full property settlement reads the same way. The agreement closes with a signature line and a dated line for each spouse. The waiver has to be a written contract, agreement, or waiver signed voluntarily by the person giving those rights up. Fill out your own prenuptial agreement free at FormsPal, no sign-up required.